know it's safe. We know it's safe. It's okay. All right, look at your parents over there. Forrest would love to stand on your head. Look at that, everybody. Let's get the other picture. Don't go anywhere. Ed, you come up. She's looking forward to standing on her head. There, that's better. Look at that frontal shot there.
Wow.
That looks awesome. Are you 11 too? How old are you? 8. Okay. You're just gonna be one tall kid, huh? Okay. Did you do your thing yet, Floyd? Did you do your thing yet? Don't look shy over there. You come over. That's okay. All right. Do we have somebody brave enough to hold it on our arm, maybe? Just in case.
Yeah, Joey will do it.
All right. Stand over here, okay? Okay. So face the audience. Great. And stick your arm out here like an airplane wing, and Floyd will stand up. Good job. Doesn't he look great?
Wow.
So what type of macaw is this? This is a blue throat macaw. His name is Floyd, and he's a rare macaw. That means there's only 300 of these birds in the wild. Let's give him a hand, by the way. Floyd's not from the jungle. He is from San Jose. All the birds we have here today are birds that are not from the wild. And that means that they need a lot of extra care because they're all hand-raised and they really are imprinted on humans. They think they're people too. They need a lot more attention than many other of our pets like dogs and cats. Plus, parrots have a destructive nature to them. They chew on everything. So we have to watch them when they're at our house. Now, when they're visiting your home, they're perfect angels. It's just that when they're at our place, they're wild animals. Okay? All right, so it looks like you have ants in your pen. Would you like to meet the birthday girl? Israel, do you want to come over? Okay, let's have the birthday girl come on over now. Okay?
Who said
All right, put your arm on like this, and he'll stand up. Perfect bird for the outfit, right?
Yeah, she's interested, but
She does like them, huh? Let's see what she thinks. Say hello. Oh, really? Perfect, huh? Okay, so looks like everybody's good to go. Oh, we're just one guy. One more. The biggest one is coming up next, okay? This is our bird Marty. Let me go ahead and introduce him. He does something a little bit different. He likes to give kisses. So, who needs a kiss from a bird? How about my friend right here? Would you like to help out today? Hi. Okay, you ready?
Let go, Jibber. Let go.
Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Hello. Hi, Jimmy. Hello.
Okay, give her the mic now.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday.
Yay!
Wait, Jibber, wait. The birdie's gonna kiss you. Look, there he is.
Hi, Judy. Can I have him do it to you first?
Wow.
Hey, you can't do that. That's my wife.
Alright, great, thank you. Okay, so the whole gang is here. All the birds are here.
My wife's with another bird.
Hello. Hi. It's not an ice cream cone. Why isn't it doing our actually attractive? Of course. Yeah. You want to do it? All right, we'll put the toy away, okay? All right, let's do some tricks. Everyone, this is our bird Marty, and he's going to start the show. You want to say something? Want to say happy birthday? Yeah. She did it, everybody. Let's give her a hand. All right, everybody sit back and relax. relax, and after the show is over, we can pick some more people to help out, just like we did before. Of course, we want to thank Ed for working so hard behind the scenes. Let's give a head clap for Ed, everyone. He makes it look easy, but everything he does is a lot of work. Today, the birds are going to perform their tricks. This is Marty, and Marty would like to say hello. Marty can begin our show by raising up the American. She has to sit back. He will not perform if anybody's staring that close. So, see how he's not moving? So you guys got to sit still, all right? Statue.
Wow.
Wow, that's really good. Let's give him an applause. Can you sit back, please? The closer you are, the worse the show is going to be, okay? If you want a great show, you sit far enough back. The birds aren't going to think, what are you looking at me like that for? You're not going to eat me for dinner, right? All right, Marty doesn't like to fly, but that's okay. We have a bicycle for him to ride. And he rides that bike backwards. That was a close one. You reckless driver. Wow. Imagine going down that hill, right? Now he's going to ride on this cool scooter. Hey, so Marty rides. Come on, Marty. And put your hands. Okay, his favorite sport, it's basketball. And here's his ball. Marty can carry the ball with his feet. So, Marty, let's see you grab that ball. He's got the ball, he turns around, and now he's dribbling down the court.
Nice.
So will he make a basket? He's up for the stretch. Marty's a great bird, but not an easy pet. You should not go home and ask your mom and dad for a pet parrot because they will say no. Parrots are amazing birds who can live a long time and they need a lot of attention. These are our feather babies and never grow up. They can live for 60 to 80 years.
Wow.
And I've had this parrot since 1991. He's 25 years old. Marty's a great guy. He can talk. He even gives kisses. He loves me. I'm his mama. Give me a kiss. Aww. You love me? You should kiss me on the lips, right? I have bad breath or something? I do not smell. Get up here and kiss me now. Aww. Let's give a hand for Marty. They seem to like you a lot. Yes, they do. But you are awfully cute, aren't you? Well, he's our only cockatoo here today. We have 4 more at home. We have a number of parrots that we bought years ago, 5 parrots. But we adopted so many more, and now we're up to 18 parrots.
Wow.
That's because so many people buy them and are sorry that they did. They feel guilty because they don't have the time for them. And parrots can be noisy and naturally disruptive. It's like a 2-year-old with a beak.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it's like. The next one I want you to meet is this big boy, Gordon.
Wow. Pretty.
No kissing here at this party, okay? This guy is our Guinness Book World Record holder. He opens the most bottles of soda in 60 seconds. You know, like those bottles of beers, the glass bottles, he can open those up.
Wow.
Now, he won't be able to do that today. We can't bring any glass on the road with us, but we do have a can of soda. So to demonstrate the power of the beak, he can open this can. I just need somebody to hold that can. How about this girl with the red and the black? All right, there. Hold up there. Hey, you. I picked you. How old are you? Wonderful. Face the audience. The bird's going to open the can of soda.
Parrot, face
and
this way.
everyone wants to take your picture, okay? All right. Stretch your hand out like this. Good. Here he comes. You were awesome. Let's give her a hand. Good job, sweetheart. You're so brave. She's so brave. I can see that. All right, Gordon is his name. I'll put this over here. Nobody's still there. And Gordon can use his beak for really amazing tricks, like hanging onto the handlebars of a bicycle. But parrots have natural talent. It's really amazing. He can actually use his beak to crack this hard shell. This is a macadamia. Because He needs a diaper change.
Thank you.
Does he need a pacifier? Oh yeah, he needs a pacifier. This nut is so hard to crack, we need a hyacinth macaw. They can use their foot like a ham, and the beak cracks the shell. It's really incredible to see parrots do that. And it instantly allows us to respect them very much, right? Gordon is the largest of all macaws, the hyacinth macaw. Native to Brazil, they have a powerful beak able to crack any nut that can fit inside their mouth. And the beak is shaped like a hook, so they can do a lot of things with their beak. We have a picture of Gordon on our Facebook page right now, just ripping pieces of wood apart because he can just splinter it and rip it across. He can make toothpicks for everybody. Now, today Gordon would like to ride on the bicycle too, so we can use his intelligence for a purpose, right? And Gordon, although he can be very destructive at home, he could actually learn these tricks, and now he has an outlet for all of his energy and attention needs. So Gordon, you have a job. Would you hurry up with that? Thank you. All right, Gordon, get on the bicycle and ride across the table. There we go.
Wow!
Everybody say, go, Gordon! Good job, Gordon. Gordon's cool looking. By the way, he may look like he's the oldest because he's so big, but he's actually only 15 years old. That's right. They grow up very quickly. You think your baby's growing fast. This baby was full size when he was 7 months old, and he can live for 60 to 80 years. All right, now Gordon can even ride on this awesome skateboard. That's right. Come on, Gordon. Let's see you go across the table. Come on, buddy. Oh, so slow. He's riding away from his fans. He has to go faster. Go back to your fans. Go back to your fans over here on this side. Come on, Gordon. There he goes. Now we're going to pose for a picture, Gordon. All right, well, this is Gordon. He's an amazing macaw. He is 15 years old. Let's give a hand for Gordon. All right, well, Gordon will head back to his perch, and now it's time for our cute guy, Floyd. By the way, I want you to know that Yaki over here is very excited about meeting you later. She can sing Oh My Darling Clementine. Many of these birds were somebody else's pets. People believe that parrots can be a great addition to their family or bring them through moments of loneliness in their lives. Unfortunately, when humans move on, these poor birds are left behind. So whenever possible, we do adopt. We do not buy parrots any longer. This is one that's celebrating his 4th year with Happy Birds. As you know, he's our new guy. And when we have a new guy, they still have to learn tricks if they're going to be in the show. So, of course, you know how to wave high. But he also does a few tricks, and I'm so glad we brought Floyd today. Floyd has a job sharing program with some of our other rescues, so today is Floyd's day. And Floyd does something that none of our other birds can do, which is perfect for this party because we're celebrating a baby's birthday. Now, all of you were babies once, but you may not remember being a baby, but you may remember the toys you used to play with. Remember these toys?
Yeah.
Well, these are Floyd's colors. If you mix these together, you have all the colors of Floyd right here. Now, you probably notice Floyd's kind of sitting off in the back there. He's not too sure about this. But I think with a little bit of encouragement, he will perform his tricks, okay? All right, so Floyd, we have all these colored strings here. All you have to do is hold it in your beak, good, and put it onto the post. Can you do that? Good. All right, off to the races. Keep going. Good job. Now he's into it. See, he's into it. Yeah, good job, boy. He's almost there. He's almost there. Let's clap for him. Good boy. Now he's getting the hang of it. Wow, good job, boy. Boy, are you showing off? Are you showing off? You are, huh? Boy, silly boy. Now he's going to do something else that's a little more difficult. I have his piggy bank, and he has to save his money. If he's going to live for 70 years, he better start saving, right? All right, we have his money right here. I'm going to put all that money in the piggy bank.
Oh.
He's really good at that, right? One more. He's all warmed up now. Let's clap for Floyd. Good job. Good job. All of the things they've learned to do is a reflection of all the time and love we put into our birds.